Hello guys, today we'll show you how to delete your Reddit account easy and quick. So you just have to follow and watch this video till the end. First guys, you just have to open your Reddit, and directly when you open Reddit, click on the corner of the screen on your profile. So go click directly on the settings. Here right now guys, you just have to click on account settings. Go to the last option, delete account, and click on it. Click yes, delete. And right now you will choose here your account, and when you will choose it, that's it. Right now your account is deleted. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and see you next tutorial.